The 2019 Porsche 935 is possibly one of the greatest creations to come out of Zuffenhausen in recent years. Limited to just 77 units, this ultra-exclusive race car, inspired by the 935/78, is sought by collectors and Porsche enthusiasts. It's not often that one comes up for sale, but the example pictured below can now be yours, provided you have enough money. Offered for sale via Bring a Trailer, this exquisite example has covered just 90 miles since it was acquired by the first owner 4 years ago. This is the 49th example ever built and has a few special touches that set it apart from other 935s. Let's start with the unique exterior finish. The carbon fiber composite bodywork has been decorated with a gorgeous Interscope Racing livery. Bright orange, red, and pink stripes flow around the vehicle as a subtle nod to the 935 that found success at the 1979 24 Hours of Daytona. The factory-applied wrap cost a scandalous $27,500 when new, which is about the same as a brand-new Mazda CX-5. But that's nothing compared to the other options that come with the car. The original buyer dropped $44,300 on a spare parts package, which is ironic, as the first owner barely drove the vehicle. All in all, the total price paid for this magnificent Porsche was $1,048,080. All 935s are powered by a rear-mounted 3.8-liter flat-six engine that, thanks to twin turbocharging, produces a mighty 690 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. Tipping the scales with a featherweight figure of 3,042 pounds, it's safe to assume the 935 has a fair bit of grunt. Porsche's lightning-fast 7-speed PDK transmission sends power to the rear wheels. As a reminder, the track-only limited edition was based on the 911 GT2 RS 991, the ultimate expression of what a road-going 911 can be. As a track weapon, there's not much in the way of luxuries within the interior. A single Recaro racing seat with black upholstery and a carbon fiber shell means there's space for just one person. It's equipped with a Schroth 6-point harness, which should help keep you safe, and a roll cage and fire suppression system. Interestingly, a passenger seat was offered as an option for the princely sum of $10,000. Some civilized features include air conditioning, power-adjustable side mirrors, Alcantara dash trim, and a classy wood gear knob, a neat homage to the Porsche 917. The vehicle wears 18-inch matte black BBS forged wheels with color-coded center locking nuts. They're wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport GT Transport tires, behind which you'll find the Brembo aluminum monoblock calipers with 6 pistons. At the time of writing, the bid stands at $935,000. But with 13 days to go, we fully expect the sale price to exceed the $1 million mark.